Jeju is one of the most beautiful islands in the world. However, at the end, we found out a lot of waste are coming from these tourists and the people. So we decided to have some smart way of waste collection, which is called sustainability. Hi, my name is Harrison Kim. I'm the managing director of NatureStore. We are the producers of smart waste collection machines and the system. In other words, we are the earth savers. And especially the ocean plastic problems are very disastrous. NatureStore, we decided to have the smart waste collection to check the bin level and to check the problems of the machines. So ACI and the NatureStore, we decided to be the sustainability creator in this beautiful island, Jeju. WAGO is not just a component supplier. They have been with us, they have been suggesting us, they have been solving the problems together. This will save the world, this will keep our civilization working. This is my dream come true.